Well, 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 South Korea. He's there. Saryeoni Forest. So this is our current location, and there's around about 15 kilometers of hiking trails in Saryeoni Forest, as you can see here. Now, the hiking trails in Saryeoni Forest are a popular destination for people interested in healing or seeking healing. Today I've come on a particularly rainy, misty and cold day, and it's really got that moody sort of vibes. Almost like a horror film today. It's just dead silent, very, very few people around. And yeah, it's quite exciting. Now in summer this is a very popular trail, but in the winter not so many takers, and you have the whole place to yourself. So if you are coming to Saryeoni Forest, I highly recommend you rug up because it's pretty cold, single digit stuff, and today it's around about 3 degrees, so definitely try and bring some warm and weatherproof clothes, and if you can, a beanie. I left mine behind today, so my head and ears are a little bit cold. Merry Christmas, fellow humans, from Saryeoni Forest. Now this morning when I was in Taipei, the hostel actually gave me the small present, a little small stocking. And there were a few sweets in it, but there was also this little bar, and I thought, oh, it's a bar of chocolate. So I bit into it, and I was in for a rude awakening. It was soap. So I don't remember really swearing or having a bad mouth these last few weeks or months or years. But I had my mouth washed out with soap at the airport, so yeah, interesting present. So yeah, this year was pretty cool. It was the Christmas Eve lights in Taipei. Christmas Eve lights! Hell yeah! Alright, so it's Christmas Eve 2019.
Hello, yes.
Hey, what's that?
And Justin is flying to Jeju tomorrow.
Jeju, South Korea.
Right, unfortunately he's flying on Christmas Day.
Your name is Lily, right?
Right,
Yeah.
yes.
We met at the hostel.
Right.
And then 3 AM on Christmas Day I left Taipei and came to Jeju in South Korea. So one day, one Christmas Day, 2 countries. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Oh, sorry, I'm disturbing the birds here in the forest. I'll give that one a miss. So sending all my love to friends and family back home in Australia and scattered through Asia and around the world. Merry Christmas, have a great day, and you are all thoroughly missed, and see you on the other side. Stay classy. I'll take this Christmas thing off now because otherwise I'll forget about it. It's quite interesting if you listen hard enough. The forest kind of speaks to you. The noise of the wind, the rain, complete silence, yet there is the sounds of nature all around you. No human noises or artificial sound, it's all the mist. It's absolutely magical. It all looks quite sparse and unloved and untouched as the leaves are waiting for the spring, summer and autumn to kick in so they can grow some leaves and some colour and come to life again. You're able to simply wander through the forest with no thoughts on your mind, just the sound of nature. It's a simple but quite beautiful little practice. Hiking in nature. You really don't need much else. We've hiked 4.8 kilometers so far, and there is 5.2 still to go. So almost halfway, peeps. Forest therapy. The three best known therapies are sea bathing, sunbathing and walking through the forest. A walk through the forest is often said to be forest therapy. It utilises all of the physical and chemical elements of the forest, such as scenery, sounds, phytoncide, anion, the temperature and the humidity of the sun with the human body. Through these pleasant experiences, the human immune system and overall health will improve. Amazing. Just gonna walk through those forests, peeps. Find a forest and frickin' go on a walk. Get your therapy. Get that nature in your guts. So my umbrella is completely savaged. Some wind came along and it was not as sturdy as it needs to be. Brutal. I don't even know why I'm still holding it up. It's not doing anything. It's got little prongs coming off it that could probably damage me or someone else. Horrendous. He's having a shocker. He's having a shocker. My goodness, what is going on in here? Just trying to hike in the moors and the umbrella's not working. Have you ever heard of that before? Absolutely horrendous. Cannot believe it. Absolutely, he's gonna have to do better next time. Oh, far out! Stinker. Something that I'm really intrigued by lately is usually myself and as humans, our feelings dictate our actions. So if you're not feeling so great in the morning, that determines your action that you don't get out of bed and brush your teeth. But lately I've swapped that around, and so it's my actions that are determining my feelings. When I wake up in the morning, I never feel like going for a hike or getting out there taking shots. but it's that mere action of I know that as soon as I'm there, then the feeling, these incredible feelings of being outside and in nature, and once you've had that experience a few times, it's really like, wow, it is making sure that you just force yourself to get there so that those epic feelings can follow. So that's just something I've really has really helped me of late, and I really wanted to share because, you know, no one really feels like waking up and getting out of bed into a cold environment, but if you wake up and you think, oh, those feelings that you have when you're outside hiking or, you know, exploring, or there's nothing like it. The hostel's gonna be like, so you guys got that umbrella that we gave you this morning? And I'm like, umbrella? I don't think I remember taking one of those. It's destroyed! Alright humans, so I'm entering the final kilometre. Just 1 kilometre to go. This has been a superb hike to Saryeoni Forest. Just a beautiful place to come, walk, photograph. Enjoy the silence, the wind, the noises, the nature, the fresh air. It really has been quite something. So I'm going to leave it at that. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.